you might need some help in laying it out or getting it printed or whatever, but today you can print things on the internet,
Yeah.
you can share it through your website. There's so many ways to get your thoughts out there, and believe it or not,
Now-
you are a writer.
Yes, that's fantastic. Was it you that said if you don't like to write, put it on an audio?
I didn't say that, but
Maybe it was
that's...
somebody else. Do you agree with that or not?
Yeah, then you have to make sure it gets transcribed from the audio to
Right.
the writing, unless you have a computer that you can talk into that
So
will
put in
write
a
for
book
you.
first, a written book.
Well, I write my things out. I don't record them.
Yeah.
But I mean, that's a good idea. Why not? If that's what you want to do. If you're...
Well, you're the expert because you've written a lot of books, 14 books, and you write specifically about hypnosis, and that's what we want to talk a little bit about today because that's what you are special at.
Right. So my
That's
book,
what it's-
Hypnosis: How to Put a Smile on Your Face and Money in Your Pocket,
Yeah.
has been a very successful book. I
Yeah.
wrote it 25 years ago, and I just rewrote it.
Yeah.
And
Why
and-
did you rewrite it anyway?
Oh my goodness. Okay, I wrote it 25 years ago when I believed all the things I was taught.
Right, right.
Then I learned through practice that a lot of the stuff I was taught was just knowledge, but not wisdom. So when I started to think, does this make sense? Is this true? A lot of stuff I was taught was nonsense.
Yeah.
And so I had to rewrite the book to reflect what I've learned.
New learnings.
And
yeah.
so the book went from 350 pages to 500
Yeah.
pages because it's a whole new book, because
Yeah.
I'm learning and growing every day, and I hope everyone listening to this is learning
Yeah.
and growing. If you're not learning every day, you're a little stagnant.
Oh,
and
wow, how boring as well.
it's stagnation
Yeah.
is strange.
Is there a temptation when you've written a book and is it kind of like birthing a child or something? Does it
Yes.
feel like, oh my
It's a
God,
long labor.
What are, yeah. And what are people gonna say? What if what if they don't like it? Is
Well,
there
see,
that kind
you know
of
what
feeling?
people are going to say is not my business.
Love it.
I have to read it as if I were reading this book,
Yep.
what would I say?
Yes.
And if I would say this is really interesting stuff, then it's worthy.
That's
If I say
fantastic.
this is funny and compelling, then it's worthy. But if I say, God, this is boring, then I didn't succeed. And what other people think of my work is none of my business.
Fantastic.
So
Wonderful. Tell us a little bit, Shelley, about last time I listened to you were talking about how to publish your own book. You do a seminar about that? And you have something on CD?
I have a
audio?
CD called How to Write a Book.
That's it, yeah.
And if you go to my website, hypnosisfederation.com,
Yep.
you can find How to Write a CD.
Yeah.
And it's just a lovely little CD on how to write a book. And just play it and you'll figure out
Yeah.
what you need to do. It's very accessible.
It's got a lot of information on it, and I find with that kind of packed information on a CD, it's nice to put it in the car. Also, if you're cooking dinner or something, have it
Exactly.
in the kitchen. Listen to it over and over and over, because I think you'll get something else out of it each time you listen.
Exactly.
And what else can we get from you? Because we should just have everything.
Well, if you go to Hypnosis Federation, you've got a lot of things to choose from. There's like 50 different CDs
Yep.
and videos or DVDs. My books, Hypnosis, Smile on Your Face, Money in Your
Yeah.
Pocket. My newest book, Wake Up, Who's Secretly Hypnotizing
Yes.
You and What to Do About It. Automatic Writing and
Yeah.
High-Risk Scripting. I edited Orman McGill's Hypnotherapy Encyclopedia.
Fantastic.
It's a
Yeah.
fabulous book.
Because you're known for that, aren't you? The Encyclopedia of Hypnosis.
Yes, well, Orman McGill died at 93. He was the Dean of American Hypnosis. And before he died at 93, he took all the work that he had done in hypnotherapy. And I edited it. I wrote 22
Isn't
of the
that
chapters.
fantastic?
And we have this brilliant man's
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
We have 45 contributing authors to
Yes,
that book.
yes.
It's
a
a real
big deal. It's a big deal.
book.
That's fantastic. What an honor, eh?
Yeah, it was a real honor. I learned a lot.
And you have a seminar coming up. Is it in California?
We have
Yeah.
a conference. It's
Yep.
March 6th, 7th, and 8th.
So not too long to go. If you want to do it,
Yeah,
better
come
register.
join us.
Yeah.
And it's very reasonably priced. It's 3 packed days with
Yeah.
5 people from Oprah going to be there.
Yeah.
We have Helen Reddy, I Am Woman, Hear Me Roar. She'll be
Oh,
at
fantastic.
the Saturday
I love
night
it.
banquet.
Yeah.
She's amazing. She's a hypnotherapist.
Wow.
We have great pre and post conference classes.
Yes.
I'm teaching a post conference class and certifying people as hypnotists.
Isn't that fantastic?
So it's a great
Because don't you
conference.
have? Do you have? Is it a school of hypnosis that you have?
Well, I'm the president of the International Hypnosis Federation,
Yeah.
and we have a
What's
training branch, and we certify hypnotists, spiritual counselors.
Okay, so it's a training company.
Yes,
yeah.
It's like a training company, but it's part of the International Hypnosis Federation.
And I know a lot of people on the hypnosis forums are members and proudly say your group. Also, talking about hypnosis forums, on one of the forums in particular, there's a posting on there where you're actually a member of not a teleseminar, a webinar that's going to happen. Is it a Hypno Summit?
Yes.
Do you know anything about that?
Yeah, I do.
Am I right?
Yes, you're right. As a matter of fact, what we're doing for that is I have a video of Ormond McGill and myself, and I am interviewing the great Ormond McGill about hypnosis.
Yes.
And so that's what's going to be on that webinar.
That's fantastic.
And it's a wonderful, it's called Hypnotically Yours. It is available on DVD as well, and that's what's going to be shown at that seminar.
And anybody who's serious about hypnosis and really wants to understand from the groundbreakers and the leaders in the field should be present and should pay attention to that, because that's priceless.
It is.
Isn't it? Wouldn't you say?
I mean, to capture somebody like Ormond, you know, we did a lot of teaching together. And, I wrote 4 books with him. But this was just a precious moment in time where he talked about what is hypnosis, how do you do it, and did some demonstrations with some high school kids. It was awesome.
Anything else you'd want to tell anybody? Let's say somebody who's watching YouTube doesn't know hypnosis, is a bit curious, not too sure what to do. How would they find out more? What do they have to do?
I'm telling them directly. You're hip and you gnosis everything. And don't forget it for a minute. And if you want to study hypnosis, do study it, hands-on training, do read books, and then start doing it. You've been hypnotized your whole life. Wake up from silly trances and re-hypnotize yourself into things that make sense, that make you love yourself, and that make you accomplish all that you set out here to do. And you have lots of gifts hidden within you. Use them. That's my advice.
Fantastic. Thank you, Shelley. Can you give us your website one more time?
HypnosisFederation.com. That's HypnosisFederation.com. Or you can email me at ihf@cox.net. And my name is Dr. Shelley Stockwell Nicholas, and I'm very happy to be with you.
You're
Thank
awesome.
you.